Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to another Palette Throwback Thursdays. In today's video, I am pairing together the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice mini palettes with the Auric Smoke Reflect in the shade Ego. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I pair these two products together, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off in the Too Faced palette. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to dip into this shade right here and just toss that on my crease. Next up, I'm going to go into Ego on kind of a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start packing that on my lids. Next up, I'm actually going to go back into the Too Faced palette rather than use the topper in Ego, and I'm going to dip into this gold shade and press that on the center of my lids. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, when I got these two paired together, I was a little bit nervous because this is arguably a very, very warm palette, and Ego is obviously very, very cool toned. But I'm pleased with it so far. I'm gonna put a little bit more color on my lower lash line. I'm more than likely going to blend out like these pinky purpley shades right here. Probably blend it out with that one right there. So that's that. I am gonna go put on my base and I'll be back to continue working on this. Alright, obviously to my under eyes, I ended up taking a little bit of the topper from Ego as well and kind of just like putting it on the center because I felt like it. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. For my blush, I'm going to go into the Burts Toasted Cinnamon Blush. And for my highlight, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Highlight in the shade Dolce Perla. Alright, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face. For my lips, I'm gonna use one of the Milani Color Fetish lipsticks. I haven't decided which one yet, so I'll let you know the name when I get done. But I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I will be right back. Alright, so for my lips, I went in with the Milani Color Fetish matte lipstick in the shade Pleasure. I didn't feel like putting on lashes today, but that's fine because like makeup should be able to look good without lashes, and I think this makeup look does look good without lashes, so I didn't feel like putting them on. And that's that. So that is going to wrap up my Palette Throwback Thursday using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice mini palette and the Auric Smoke Reflect in Ego. I think this look is so, so, so pretty. Like I said earlier, I was confused how these two were going to work together because one's very cool toned, one's very warm toned, but I think that it turned out really pretty. So comment down below and let me know how you would pair these two products together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!